Hi, we're Charlotte and Perry. We travel around the UK, Europe and worldwide, visiting various different attractions, zoos, theme parks and cruises. We hope you enjoy this video and thank you for watching.
Even the plane looks icy. From 10:45 to Chamonix to Sanchez. Yeah.
And then that view you'll see. So we're near the driver.
Near the driver.
Near the driver.
And this is with Flexibus.
So we've just checked into our hotel and we're going to show you around. Cool, let's go. So we won't bother showing you in there, that's just a toilet. This is the boring stuff. So we've sussed out this room is a unique shape and layout. So yeah, so come in here, we've got our, there's a spa on site, so we've got our stuff ready for the spa, our slippers and our gowns. Shower, when we have a shower, we've got our towels and we've got our coat rack. Standard stuff in here, you know what I mean, nice little shower.
The ceiling.
Nice little mirror. Cool, right. This is the quirky shaped room. So we'll start off with a balcony, straight to the balcony. We've got a mirror and a balcony. Get out in the cold, Charlotte.
It's not too bad. It's starting to rain. So that is our view. We will be going up there on Sunday. And you've got 2 chairs and a little table so you can come out and have a little drink.
Cool, so we've got the bed, you've got your telly, you know.
Smart telly, so Perry is happy.
You've got some quirky stuff going on.
It's giving me Minecraft vibes.
Yeah, Minecraft with the green. But yeah, so interesting stuff is we've got these nice bottles, no plastics.
And down on the ground floor you can fill up the waters. I will insert a little video here so you can see what the machine is on the ground floor.
They're trying to be economical and reduce plastic. So we have metal water bottles which we'll be able to refill. These cups are like silicone, which is quite interesting. These tea bags, which I'm assuming are tea bags, look quite fancy. 100% biodegradable. And there's something else I was going to mention.
I really like that picture of the fox in the...
Oh, the pictures. Yeah. There's something else I was going to mention, but I can't remember. That's it. So, yeah, we've mentioned there's a spa. There's also like a games room. Well, apparently there's a sports room, which is in the other side of the road. So let me explain. So there's this hotel has two sides. So there's a road, and we've got a hotel on the left and hotel on the right. On that side of the road, you've got the hotel, reception, breakfast,
The view that you see from the balcony.
and we're the other side of the road, so we've got the spa. So if you stay in that side of the hotel, you literally have to walk across the road in your robe to go to the spa. So I'm quite pleased we're on this side because we've got the spa. We can just go straight to the spa. So this is spa and hotel. That side's hotel,
Restaurant
and reception. However, we've got a pool table in our room. Next door has a sports room, which we're assuming has a pool table as well. We've not been, so we'll go over there later and check out the sports room as well. So yeah, so quite a big hotel. I'm assuming they probably had like just that hotel originally.
I would say
then
so,
I reckon
and they've
this is the
moved
new-
over.
This is the newer side with a spa and more rooms. So yeah. Let's see. Be nosy what that circular thing was, but I can't get to it now.
Oh, and we're off. Oh, it's a snowy one. Oh! Oi! Woo! Go, 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 go! Ready? Wah, wah. Brake, brake, brake! Hey! Brake, 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 brake. Brake, 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 brake. Brake, 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 brake.